For number 5, we want to graph this out and then answer all these questions. So let's just start off with how we graph this. Remember, the 2 steps for graphing these things is 1, find the vertex, which is opposite inside, same on the outside. So looking at that, it's going to be opposite inside is 3, same on the outside is -6. And then second, we use the slope to be able to find the second thing, or a in front. So we know it's a downwards v, and it's going to have a slope of -1/2. So let's just use those those two pieces, and we'll graph it out. So 3, -6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is right there. And our slope of down 1/2. We're starting at the vertex, go down 1/2. There's one side. Then go back to the vertex, down 1/2 the other way, and we get our V shape. Now let's go back to these questions. It's asking what's the vertex. Oh, we've already found that, so that's 3, -6. We just write it in. Then we look at the graph. Is our vertex a minimum or maximum? So it's at the downwards V, so that means our vertex is at the top, which makes it a maximum. So we just circle maximum. We already see that it's negative, so it's facing downwards, so that's down. And then we want to compare it to the function y is equal to absolute value of x. So I want to know, is it narrower than this or is it wider than this? So let's just compare it to that. And the way we're going to do this, again, we're going to look at this, just the slope. And so if we have x has a slope of 1, right, if it's just in front, let's just put it here. And 0, 0. So you don't, this is not part of the graph, this is just so we can see it. And if I get something like this, then we get this kind of V shape. Now what was the slope on here? We're going to flip it upwards and move it back here so we can compare it. That was 1/2, so that's up 1/2. And we can see that this one is definitely going wider. So the answer is wider. So you just circle that.